Welcome back to your math class. And kids, so we were learning about measurement of length, and there we have completed some conversion, like conversion of meter into centimeter. And then in our last class we were doing conversion of kilometer to meter. Okay, so we were doing in our last class we were doing conversion of kilometer to meter. Okay, now so today we will do some question based on conversion of kilometer to meter, and then what will happen after doing so, we will move toward our book exercise. After doing so, we will move toward our book exercise. Fine. So I have told you that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay, and we have discussed this, that if I have to find out how many kilometers, how many meters are there in 2 kilometers, then what I have to do? Then now see, if 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, okay, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, and I have to find the 2 kilometer. Now what I will do? I will multiply this 2 with 1000. Now again, why I am multiplying here? Why I am multiplying? I am multiplying because see, if 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, 1 का दिया है, and I have been asked to find out many. So what will happen? I have to multiply. And how much I will multiply? 1000. So I will multiply 2 into 1000 meters, and that will give us 2000 meters. That will give us 2000 meters. Okay, got it? 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So 2 kilometer equals to 2000. Now similarly, if I have to multiply 12 kilometers, then what will happen? If I have to multiply, if I have to convert 12 kilometer into meter, then what I will do? Now if I have to multiply 12 kilometers, then same thing, 12 into 1000 meter. Now 12 into 1000 meter, that means 12,000 meter. 12,000 meter. Okay, so what happened? Here we have completed this conversion of kilometer to meter, but one thing, as you can see, here only kilometer part is given, meter part is missing. So if I have to convert, now if I have to convert from kilometer and meter into meter, say 2 kilometer 34 meter, and I have to convert that into meter, what I will do? Let us see. Okay, see, if I have to convert, instead of 2 kilometer, if I want to convert 2 kilometer to 48 meters, instead of 1 kilometer, if I want to convert 2 kilometer, if I want to convert 2 kilometer, what I will do? See, now first line that we will write will remain the same, that is 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay, now 2 kilometer 248 meters equals to, now 2 kilometer 248 meters equals to 2 kilometer plus 248 meter. Okay, now what I kilometer part is also given. Now see, 2 kilometer is already given in kilometer. See, 2 kilometer is given in kilometer, 248 is given in meter. So what I have to do? हमें क्या करना है बेटा? We have to convert this किलोमीटर पार्ट ना. देखो 248 मीटर, दिस इज तो ऑलरेडी गिवन इन मीटर. अब जो चीज पहले से ही मीटर में दी है, वी वोंट चेंज दैट, वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस पार्ट. सो कन्वर्टिंग दिस पार्ट वी विल गेट 2 into 1000 meter plus 248 meter. 2 into 1000 meter plus 248 meter. Together they will form 2 into 1000 will be 2000 meter plus 248 meter. Now what will happen? We will add them. So adding them we will get 2248 meters. Now this is our answer. So this is how we will convert if any number is given in kilometer and meter in both the units. Okay, note it down. First of all, note it down. Then I will move ahead. Come on. Note it down. Okay, so going to erase the board. Okay, so now I am going to give you some question where what you will do, you have to convert that into meter. Okay. Let us see. First question is 3 kilometer 224 meter. Okay. And now the next question is 8 kilometer 420 meters. Come on, solve this question. What you have to do, you have to convert them into meters. Come on, do this question. Completed. 3 kilometer 224 meter, 8 kilometer 420 meters. Come on. See, first line that we will write is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now 3 kilometer 224 meter equals to 3 kilometer plus 224 meter. Now what I will do, I will convert this 3 into meter, this 3 kilometer into meter. See, 3 into 1000 meter plus 224 meter. 3 into 1000 meter plus 224 meter. Now what will happen? This 3 will become 3000 meter plus 224 meter, and we will get 3224 meter. This is what? This is we have got 3224 meter. What we have done? We have just converted 3 kilometer 224 meter into meter. Now see, 1 kilometer, सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया? First line will remain the same. That says 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay. Now next is, अब 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Now what we have done? 3 kilometer 224 meter. Now 3 kilometer 224 meter equals to 3 kilometer plus 224 meter. Now in this line we wants to show that, अब इधर हम क्या दिखाना चाह रहे हैं? That 3 kilometer 224 meter, what happened there? वहाँ पे क्या है? 3 kilometer है plus 224 meter है. Now 3 kilometer means 3000 meter plus, फिर 3 kilometer को what we have done? We have converted into meter. How we have converted into meter? By multiplying 1000 here. We have multiplied 1000. Now 3 into 1000 we have got 3000 meter plus 224 meters. So together we have got 3224 meter. Okay. Now let us do this question. This question is 8 kilometer and 420 meter. Let us do. Now 8 kilometer 420 meter. Now the first line will be remain same, that is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay, now 8 kilometer 420 meters equals to 8 kilometer plus 420 meter. Now 8 kilometer, we will convert this 8 kilometer. Converting this 8 kilometer, we will get 8 into 1000 meter plus 420 meter. Now 8 into 1000 will become 8000 meter. See, 8000 meter, and we will add here 420 meter. Now 8000 plus 420, so it will give us 8420 meter. This is our answer. Okay, note it down, then I will explain this to you all. Come on, note it down. Okay. Now see what happened. Here we are having 8 kilometer and 420 meter. Here we are having 8 kilometer plus 420 meter. Okay. Okay. See. Now first line will be same. That says 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Now 8 kilometer 420 meter equals to 8 kilometer plus 420 meter. 8 kilometer plus 420 meters. Okay. Now 8 किलोमीटर को we will convert into where? Meters. So how we will convert and why we are not converting 420 meters? See, we are not converting 420 meter because this number is already given in meter. That's why we are not converting. Okay, now 8 kilometer equal to 8 into 1000 meter plus 420 meter. Now 8 into 1000 meter is 8000 meter plus 420 meter, and together they will form 8420 meter. Together they will form 8420 meters. Okay, great. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, see. So now next question that I am going to give you is a bit different. This question is 7 kilometer 70 meters, and here 8 kilometer and 24 meter. Now see, generally meter places consist of 3 places, 3 digits, but here you can see only 2 digits are given. Now most of you often got confused that this is 700 meter. Beta, this is just 70 meter, not 700 meter. So do it. We'll see. Come on, try it at your level, then I will explain it to you. 7 kilometer 70 meter and 8 kilometer 24 meters. Okay, see, everything will remain the same, like 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now 7 kilometer 70 meter is equals to 7 kilometer plus 70 meter. Now we will convert this 7 kilometer. So this will give us 7 into 1000 meter plus 70 meter. 7 into 1000 meter equals to together they will form 7070 meters. Together they will form 7070 meter. Now it's time for me to explain you. See, all the things remain the same. Only difference is here that here we are having 70 meter. अब यहाँ पे अपने पास कितना है? We are having 70 meter. Okay. तो पहला हमने क्या किया? 7 किलोमीटर को we have converted into meter. So जब हमने convert किया, so what we have done? We have multiplied 1000 and here we have add just 70. Here we have add just 70. See. $7,000 plus 70, it will equals to 0707. See, this is how we will add 7,000 meter and 70 meter, and so we have got our answer. Okay, cool. Moving ahead. Let us do this question also. First you guys try this question. Here we are having 8 kilometer, 24 meter. See, process will be same. Okay. Now, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now, 8 kilometer equals, 8 kilometer, 24 meter equals to 8 kilometer plus 24 meter. Okay, got it? Now, next we are having, we'll convert this. Eight into 1000 meter plus 24 meter. Now 8 into 1000 meter we will get 8000 meter plus 24 meter, and it will give us 8024 meters. 8024 meters. Okay, now all the things are same here as we have done in this question. Now here we are having 24 meters, so we have converted this 8 kilometer into meter. 8 kilometer into meter. How we have converted? By multiplying 1000. Okay, so we have multiplied 1000 and we have got 8000 meter. Now 8000 meter plus 24 meter, together we have got 8024 meter. 8024 meter. Okay. Now kids, enough of the explanation. Now let us move toward our exercise 8.1. Okay. Now, exercise 8.1 we have to do. Let me open that exercise. Okay. Exercise 8.1, question number 7. Convert into meters. Convert into meters. Exercise 8.1. Okay. Now the first question is 8 kilometer only. So this question is very easy. I am leaving this question for you guys to do. Question number 1, that means question number 7 part A you will do yourself. I am going to do question number 7 part B. Question number 7 part B is 1 kilometer 325 meter. 1 kilometer 325 meter. Okay. One kilometer 325 meter. Okay, here. Now 1 kilometer 325 meter. Now see, first line will remain the same, that is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now then 1 kilometer 325 meter equals to 1 kilometer plus 325 meter. Now as we have written here also that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So that we will write here 1000 meter, and in this we have to add 325 meter. Okay, now what will happen? Now what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers. Okay, now we will add these two number. Adding them together we will get 1000 plus 325, that means 1325 meters. Okay, this is what? This is our answer. 1325 meters. Okay, got it? Okay, note it down, then we will move toward the next question. Okay, see, moving toward the next question. Now, question number 7, part C. Now, we will do question number 7, part C. Question number 7, part C, and part C question is 2 kilometer and 80 meter. 2 kilometers and 80 meters. See, 2 kilometers and 80 meter. Come on, solve this question. Solve this question now. We have just done this question. Just done this type of question, I mean. Okay, now 2 kilometer 80 meters. So first line will remain the same, that is 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Now 2 kilometer 80 meter equals to 2 kilometer plus 80 meter. 2 kilometer plus 80 meter. Okay, this much is clear. Now let us move ahead. 2 kilometer. So we will convert this 2 kilometer. And how we are going to convert this 2 kilometer? By multiplying 1000. So 2 into 1000 meters plus 80 meter equals to 2 into 1000 meter will become 2000 meters plus 80 meter, and it will give us 2080 meters. Okay, note it down. Come on. Okay, see, so here we have done our exercise 8.1 also. In our last class we have done some question on meter and centimeter. Today we have done meter and kilometer. Now kids, here I am going to give you some questions for your home assignment. Okay. First question is, what you have to do, you have to convert into meter. First question is 7 kilometer 25 meters. Now next question is 4 kilometer 54 meter. Okay, and now the third question is 18 kilometer. What you have to do, you have to solve this question. What you have to do, you just have to solve this question. Okay, and we will meet in our next class.